It said butterflies flapping their wings can create storms and cyclones across the seas. तितलियां भी तूफान को अंजाम दे सकती हैं. And you're all those little butterflies in your primes, waiting to take on and create an impact. The civil services, India's bureaucracy, IAS, IPS, IFS, give you that opportunity. But before you start off, before you spread your wings and get into this great competition, you should know what to study. क्या पढ़ें, कैसे शुरू करें, कितने घंटे पढ़ें, कैसे ऑप्शनल्स चूज किया जाता है, how to plan your strategy so that you can achieve what you have set out for. Spread your wings and come, let us help you from Edukemy, where you can become a part of a process to serve the nation, to serve its people, and become drivers of change. Become a part of Edukemy's Aarambh program, Shubh Aarambh, where you can learn the first few steps taken rightly can take you towards a destination. Welcome to Edukemy.